Today we announced the launch of World Wide Web QantasShareholders.com. We did that as a response to support and inquiry from many thousands of Qantas customers, frequent flyers and shareholders. They've written to us expressing their concern about the direction of management and the clear intent to offshore Qantas into non-existence. So we put an ad in the paper today, you've no doubt seen, where we're recommending that the remuneration package of the management team gets voted down and the 4 non-executive directors be voted no. As I said, that's in response to overwhelming requests. We've got more than 24,000 people on our database that have actually asked us to do this, so we're facilitating that action. Our industrial action, which Alan Joyce has been commenting on, has consisted of no more than making PAs and wearing red ties that say Qantas Flight, Qantas Pilot. There has not been a delayed flight as a result of Qantas Pilot's industrial action. We've been looking at every option. We don't want to delay the customers, and we haven't done so. We have no intention of doing so, but we have got a number of options on the table. We would rather negotiate with the management team, but negotiation means the art of compromise, and we've yet to see any form of compromise from the company. Well, we think that it might cause the board and the management to rethink their strategy. Make no bones about this, that this strategy of the management team is to offshore and outsource the company into non-existence. I challenge Alan Joyce right now to stop this by saying clearly and categorically that there is no intent to diminish Qantas to be non-existent. I challenge him to say that those Asian airlines are not proxies for Qantas in the future, not proxies at all. I suspect he won't be able to say that because I guarantee that's part of the plan. We can put pressure on the company behind the scenes that will actually achieve our aims, we believe. Now, we can do things that could cause the company internal grief in terms of management capability and scheduling and rostering. We've yet to do that. We have been very quiet during this entire dispute and try to get the flights away on time. So we'd rather negotiate, but negotiation's the art of compromise, and at the moment we've seen zero compromise from the company. Alan said today that they were in conciliation meetings earlier in the week, and we were. Our chief negotiator informs me there has been absolutely zero movement from the company. So you can't call it negotiation and compromise if one side won't compromise.
We anticipate a total of 6,800 passengers will be affected by this action. This is part of a coordinated campaign by 3 unions representing the long-haul pilots, the licensed engineers, ramp and baggage handlers and catering staff. We are doing our best to minimise the impact on our customers by notifying them of revised schedules, putting on bigger aircraft where possible, and mobilising our contingency workforce to keep Qantas flying. We will continue to do all that we can to absorb the pressure and keep on delivering for our customers. Tomorrow, the licensed engineers aim to disrupt the travel plans of a further 7,600 domestic and international passengers travelling out of Sydney. It is a peak Friday period, and it's going to impact people, including those trying to get to New Zealand for the rugby.